So I'm Paul Mallinson, I'm Playdale's Technical and Operations Director, and we design and manufacture children's playground equipment. We design our own product and we produce all our own products, whether it's timber, steel, panels, rope work. We supply the kit mainly to the UK but all over the world as well. So I first heard about the Made Smarter programme back in 2019. We'd been to the Made Smarter exhibition, the Smart Factory exhibition down in Liverpool, and that's where the funding was announced. Yeah, so the programme was billed as an easy to apply funding process, and from day one we found that very useful. We had a consultant that came in and worked with us. We did line walks and we looked at our processes, and that really gave us clarification on what our opportunities were. And beyond that, it was very easy to go through the applications, and we were successful on 4 lots of applications. Some of it has been new equipment, some of it has been introducing digital workflows, some of it has been training programs that we've had staff go on, and some of it has been just upskilling of existing staff. We've also had student placements, which we've found very useful, and one of those student placements has led to an employee being employed by Playdale. The Made Smarter programme and the digitisation has helped us increase our output, our productivity, our efficiencies, and it's helped us upskill our staff. Yeah, we've definitely improved some of our processes, and it's removed time-consuming work, and it's led to a slicker, faster operation.